Mom going out and leaving you all alone with the baby? Don't worry, Dad. You've got this because you've got the Sound Soaker.
Sound Soaker.
When Betty Bye comes,
You don't want anything waking that baby up.
Sound Soaker.
the Sound Soaker can soak up any sound.
Sound Soaker.
And it's great in an emergency. Good work, Dad. Crisis averted. Now that you've managed to avoid a baby waking disaster, it's time to settle in and relax. Wait a minute, Dad. How about a snack? Remember, the Sound Soaker isn't just for glamorous catastrophes.
Sound Soaker.
When the Sound Soaker has soaked up all the sound it can take, simply wring it out and continue use. The Sound Soaker can also be used for lawnmowers, hair dryers, vacuum cleaners, and mother-in-law calls. The Sound Soaker, only 23 payments of $4.99. Call in the next 10 minutes, you'll get a free Bag O' Silence, normally a $200 value, completely free. The Sound Soaker comes in 3 colors: yellow, egg yolk, and free-range egg yolk. Call 888-555-5555 now. That's 888-555-5555 now.
What was that number again?
It's 888-555-5555. Call now. Should I say it again? Way to go, Dad. See, you didn't need Mom. Not when you have the Sound Soaker. Go ahead.
What do you think you're doing?
Sound Soaker not meant to be used on humans, weapons, or ducks. Can cause loss of hearing, diarrhea, and angry wives. May not be mom approved. Please use responsibly.